So it's a rainy day today. So I'm not making any clothes, no orders, nothing like that today. So I'm out here playing with the toys. Side by sides. So I got these new whips. LED whips. Go on the back of the bike. Try to drop them in this hole right here. I know she dirty. I gotta wash her. Took her for a ride. You know how it goes. You know how it goes. So, but in order for this thing to work, I gotta shave some meat off of this plastic. On the body here. This little hole right here. Oh, you can see it right here. So it'll bolt in. You know what I'm saying? It's too short. So that's today's project when that expression is not making clothes, working on my bikes. So we gotta go back off-road riding, you know. Side by side Polaris, RZRs. You already know how we do. Oh yeah, I got the LEDs on here as well. Got them up under here. You can't really see it. There you go. Got the LEDs on the underbody. And so right now it's not even rigged up. They're not even wired. So I snatched the battery back seat out. I gotta wire it all up. Put a switch on it. Should be good to go. Put the seats back in it and everything. Ready to ride. Nice little project. Rainy day. RZR Polaris. So we can have some fun. I'll make another video when everything's hooked up and she's clean. Only to get dirty again. So I don't even know how we wash these things. Yep, that expression. Train hard and take over. And everything you do, even if it's something like this, Google it, read up on it, study on it, train up on it, figure it out, take over, done deal. That expression. Fun day.